everyone, it's Shamila here, and before I post the notes of this little box and card that I made for yesterday's live, which was the 2nd of December, you can find it on the Stamperia page on Facebook, or you can find it on YouTube on the Stamperia page. I thought I would just give you a quick run through of what I did so you can see the finished product. So this is the box, and remember I said in the live that the idea or the plan was in my head. So after the card was completed, I realized my box did not accommodate for the belly band and for the layering of the belly band. So I have adjusted the box size for you. I have put the new sizes in the notes, and I have made a note of it to say that it's changed. So what I have done with my box is I've actually cut out the original lid, and if I raise it you can see. So my box is about more or less like 1/4 of an inch, slightly bigger. And then the extras I filled in were the gauze behind Lady Vagabond. I put some of the white Glamour sparkles in the top of her dress, and I added just some what's this stuff called now? Extra gloss finish. I always forget that word. Extra gloss finish there, and just added extra of the Glamour sparkles to the rest of the box. But I simply love how the Glamour pigment and the transparent Crackle paste turned out there. So that's the box lid, and then I added some tissue paper for glamour. This is the card. So if I take it out, and I'm going to keep it on the side so we can see the full picture there for a moment, and I'm going to turn it so you can see the composition on the front. It's very simple. I kept it simple. We couldn't have too much bulk because it is after all just a card. It's not like anything like a canvas or something where you can have all the extra embellishments. So I've used the Lady Vagabond stamp set here. I love that stamp set. It has got the most wonderful sentiments and quotes on it, inspirational quotes. And if you are into art journaling, that is really pretty cool for all your art journaling projects. So have a look at that. The code, I think it's WTKCC208. I speak under correction, but the code is in the notes. And then of course we've got some gauze in the background, which I love to use. It just adds a little bit of texture. And this is from the clear die cut collection. That's just the offcut, and if you watch the video you will know that I went to Scrummage for that. And when you open this, let's get that off. Oops. When you open that, I've used, because I figured that this was the inside of a room in Lady Vagabond's house, I would use the houses as the outside, so it's very literal. And when you open it up, the card pops like that. So the fireplace and the clock comes from the 3D paper kit, and it's really simple to put together. Belinda has a lovely video online, and that is what it looks like from the top, and that is what it looks like on the inside. Now the background papers here, this comes from the 8x8 paper pack, and that there comes from the background papers. The background papers are just amazing. It's stunning, stunning, stunning. Rust right up my alley. And of course that is what I cut off first. It's from the top right hand side of the page, and this was the leftover piece of that same card, so I only used one sheet of card for this. What you need to do is, if you are giving this as a gift to someone, you can give them the option and put a little photograph in there. I didn't have much time after the live yesterday to add more embellishments, but you can really add a lot more to this. Like you can add extra gloss finish to all the little areas and highlight it. You can highlight the flowers, the writing on the desk. There's lots you can add, more glamour sparkles, etc. So there's lots that you can do. And I thought afterwards I could have highlighted the fireplace, but we didn't do that. So on the other side I left blank, but what you can do is you can add a plain sheet of card and write your message there. I do recommend though that you write your message first and then glue it down, or just tape it down after, because yeah, it's going to be a little bit hard to write on it with all the dimension on this card. So that is it. Let me bring my box lid back. I love how the glamour sparkles came out there. Oh, and I forgot to say I added extra gloss finish to all those little screw heads there as well. That's it from me. I hope to see all your wonderful pop-out cards. Please don't forget to load it on Stampers Worldwide and inspire us all with your wonderful make. That's it from me. Until next time, see you in cyberspace. Bye now.